Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I want to wish all the women out there Happy Women's Day. Clearly Women's Day.
Happy Women's Day! Now let's learn some Danish words related to women.
Kvinde,
Woman,
mor,
mother,
sister,
sister,
datter,
daughter,
dame,
lady,
veninde,
female friend,
mormor,
maternal grandmother,
farmor,
paternal grandmother,
stærk,
strong,
kapabel,
capable,
modig,
brave,
selvsikker,
confident,
intelligent,
intelligent,
kreativ,
creative,
smykker,
jewelry,
ørering,
earring,
halskæde,
necklace,
armbånd,
bracelet,
ur.
watch. Now let's learn some Danish phrases related to women.
Du smuk,
You are beautiful.
du rar.
You are kind.
Jeg stolt af dig.
I am proud of you.
Du kan klare det.
You can do it.
Du selvsikker.
You are confident.
Dit smil smukt.
Your smile is beautiful.
Du stærk og modig.
You are strong and brave.
Du kapabel til at klare alt.
You are capable of handling everything.
Tro på din egen styrke.
Believe in your own strength.
Du kan alt, hvis du vil.
You can do anything if you want to.
En kvinde med mod.
A woman with courage.
En kvinde med styrke.
A woman with strength.
En kvinde med vision.
A woman with vision.
Din kjole virkelig fin.
Your dress is really nice. Thanks for watching.
Jeg stolt af dig.
I'm proud of you.
Giv aldrig op. Du kan alt, hvis du vil.
Never give up. You can do anything if you want to.
Bye bye. Ha' en fantastisk